China says it is ready to work with Nigeria to improve the health and well-being of African orphans and children. Ms. Liang Huili, wife of Chinese ambassador to Nigeria, Ambassador Kui Jiangcheng, made this known at a campaign to celebrate children at an orphanage, Victorine Home for Children in Abuja. The campaign, Warm Children's Hearts, a China-Africa joint action, is an extension of the International Children's Day observed annually on May 27. She expressed the gratitude of the wife of Chinese president on African countries' response to China during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020.
On this important occasion, a special campaign to care for the health of African orphans, themed with Warm Children's Hearts, a China-Africa joint action proposed by Her Excellency Peng Liyuan, the wife of Chinese President Xi Jinping, and the Organization of African First Ladies for Development, known as OAFLAD, would be held across Africa. I'm very delighted to be here to hold this event with all of you. And I want to thank the Ministry of Women Affairs and Victorine Home Orphanage for your efforts to help materialize this event. To express the friendly feeling of Chinese people towards the African people, the Chinese government has donated a batch of anti-pandemic supplies through OFLAD to 53 African countries, including Nigeria, to help women, children, and adolescents. Since then, Chinese aid materials has been delivered to various countries.
In her remarks, Sister Jovita Nzeduro, matron of Victorine Home for Children, said the children were taken in from women in prison, women with disabilities, orphaned, abandoned babies, and those going through difficulties.
We give these children holistic care, education, health, and every other thing that a home should give a child. We are basically on our own. There is no government assistance. Everything is free will donations from individuals and maybe organizations. And even some mothers bring their children to come and dump them here because they feel that they will get better care than they will have with them. But we don't accept those things because we know that a child needs the mother. It is good for a child to grow in a family. No matter how the situation is, family is family. So we only take children who we know that really there is really nobody to take care of those children.